Guys, and welcome back to Shannon's Makeup Drawer, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using Morphe's Second Nature palette, also known as 35O2 palette. I love all the warm orange and brown tones in this palette so much, and for this look I went for a blended out red and orange look with the classic wing eyeliner. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm going to go in with this peach brown shade called Universal and put this shade in my crease. Next I'm going to go in with Orb and put this in my crease as well. Next, I'm going to go in with Tan and put this in my crease as well. Next, I'm going to go in with this rusty velvet shade called Brick and continue buffing this into my crease as well. Now I'm going to go in with this warm red shade called Heat and buff this into my crease too. And for the final shade in my crease, I'm going to go in with Fire. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and buff all of this out. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ablaze and pack this onto my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade Sauce and apply this with my finger all over my lid. I'm going to go back in with Ablaze and put this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take Almay's liquid liner in the shade Black to create a cat eye wing. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Wiz and smudge that on my lower lash line as well. I'm also going to add a little point in my inner corner with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Pure and put this in my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with Desi's Perfect retractable eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. And I'm going to put this all on my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with Rimmel Scandaleyes mascara in the shade Black. And I'm going to coat my top and bottom eyelashes. So that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other video suggestions or video ideas that you'd like to see. I'll see you next Tuesday for another week's upload. Bye!